Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm gonna go over this real quick. So again, Mike Cosmic Creations. I'll leave a link in the video description to these lights and some other kits, to the website where you can see these kits with all their prices and options. I get all the time questions, all the time about pricing. Click the link, it's in the video description. It'll answer all the questions. There's even an FAQ section that will probably answer all those questions also. I don't mind answering them, but if they're already answered, there's no sense in me going over them over and over and over. This is a 4-row setup for a Polaris Slingshot. So we got 3 rings here, 4 rows apiece. So we got 12 rows. This is about 75, 78 feet of LEDs. This takes 3 out of 4 channels of the signal amplifiers that we use, so you can still add more. And of course they are fully expandable. So you know, you've got your eyebrow kits, your hood kits, your mirror and side body kits, your underbody kits, your hood kit, you've got your interior kit, your exterior kit, your spring kit, and then your rim kit, as well as all the other miscellaneous pieces that you can add in. So tons of different options. You can start with just one kit, or some people buy every kit I've got and do the whole sling all at one time. So we've got these in clear, I got these in blacked out strips. Matter of fact, we got halos. I've got tons of stuff. We got the lettering coming that you can do your own name in LED lights that you can put on your hood or on the back of your fin, side of your fin, excuse me, or the back of the Slingshot. So a couple of options there. Got tons of stuff. But just want to show these off real quick. This is the testing phase that we're going to load these, bench load these, and make sure everything works like they're supposed to before I box them up and get them all out to their customer. As a matter of fact, so again, like I was saying, some people do everything all at once, right? So mirror and side body. I'm going to end up dropping these hood strips. Let's see, eyebrow kit, more eyebrow kit. Here's an exterior kit, exterior, interior, another interior, underbody. So yeah, all this is going out to one customer. So all in all, you're going to spend less in this than you would any of my competitors. Lifetime warranty on all your strips. Again, they're modular, so you can add any one of these now and add more to it later, or do everything all at one time. So just really up to you. But so anyway, just wanted to show these off real quick and let you see them and what we kind of get into around here. I've got some installs coming up. I don't do the installs. I have an installer that does those. I build and ship, but Jason's our installer, and he does all that stuff here locally for us. So we got some of those coming up. We just finished one. He's got another one he's doing now, and I think we got another one on the books after that. So it's holiday, it's summer season, so things kind of slowing down because everybody's doing bike night and, you know, bike week and stuff like that. But be ready, get prepared for fall and winter. Go ahead and plan your installs out. Don't wait to the last minute. I get backed up with orders. Again, you're going to get more bang for your buck with what I do versus any of my other competitors. So anyway, got any questions that aren't already answered? Leave a question in the comments below, and I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.